Hello everyone. Welcome to Peacock Way. Welcome to my channel. I hope your day is going good. Thanks for joining me. Today I will be doing Christmas cards. I will be using this 5x7 base card and also I will be using this it's a designer paper, and I'm going to be using that, and it's the size of 4.5 by 5.5. So I'm going to use this as the background and also this as the focal point. It is from Momenta die. I'm going to use that. Let's get started. Now I'm going to use the double-sided tape to adhere it on the base card. It's a very simple card, and you don't need a lot of things to make it. If you have just a designer paper, I think with a nice die you can just make a beautiful card. So now I'm going to use the silver small strip, and that is like around 4.5 inches, and I'm going to stick on both the sides. Now I'm going to put the focal point, and before that I'm going to tie a string . And now I'm using a glue and sticking on the center of the card. I'm going to now put the gemstones . Now for the sentiment, I'm using a double-sided foam. And now that finishes my first card. You can see the close-up pictures after this project. For the second project, the cardstock is again a designer paper, and I'm using this green cardstock, which is 3.5 by 3.5, and the red inner cardstock is about 3 by 3, and I'm going to put all together and then stick it in the center of the card. I'm just sticking slightly on the top of the card. So now I'm going to use this wreath as the back, and then on the top I'm going to stick the leaves. Now I'm going to stick those all those leaves which I already did the die cut. Now I'm going to stick the bow for the wreath. This is again from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm going to put some gemstones to make it look prettier. Now for the sentiment, I'm going to first put the glue and stick in the center of the card. Actually, I should say a little bit below. So that ends my second card. So if you like my project, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below, and also share it with your friends. So these are the close-up pictures.